So in exercise 4, 5, and 6, we have to use different calculations from percentages. So in exercise 4, if you look at the question about goat farms, they're giving you two years. They're giving you a new year, which is 2016. They give you an old year, which is 2010. They also give you the amount of goat farms, which is 2,662. And in 2010, it was 1,057 more. So this is the amount that is more. So to get the old amount that belongs to 2010, you have to do 2,662 plus 1,057. You get then the amount is 37,019 goat farms. So what is the percentage decrease in the number of goat farms? We know the formula, and this is one of the formulas that you gotta know. New minus old divided by old times 100. So we do the difference of these two, new minus old, but that's already 1,057. That's given in the text this time. And we divide by old. That's why we needed to figure this amount out, 3,719. We multiply times 100. And then you doing this, you get eventually about 28 point something something, and you know that the answer book is giving it always already in one decimal, so 28.4%. This is question A. So this is actually the summary part that you had to use this formula. For question B, there was an increase of goats. So the increase is this, 2010. You write down the amount that is given in the text. 2016, you write down the amount that's given in the text. Once again, we want relative increase. It's in percentage. So we do the difference between those two. That goes in the numerator. Divide by old. Which one is old? Exactly, well done. We calculate this one again. You can also do this yourself. Times 100, of course, else we get a decimal. And over here you get 41 point. Once again, a few behind the commas. 41.6%. That's the relative increase. It's positive, so you know it's an increase. Then we go to question C. Now, in question C, they already tell you there were fewer goats than sheep that year. So you already know new minus old divided by old times 100 has to be negative a percentage. That's how you can get a decrease. So try this one on your own. You see that in 2016, there were a total of 783. I'm not saying it wrong. 783,906 sheep in the Netherlands. So there were fewer goats than sheep that year. So what information do you need to use? You have to use eventually the amount that's given in 2010 to figure out what the difference is.